Hello students, as you all know we have started our new lesson and the lesson name is measurement. Okay. In this lesson, in our previous videos children we have learned three important things, that how to measure length, then how to measure capacity and how to measure weight. All the three measurements we have seen different kinds of units also. Okay, like meter, centimeter we use to measure length, then gram, kilogram we use to measure weight, and then milliliter and liter we use them for measuring the capacity. Okay, now on that basis children we have some problems that we have to solve now. So this is the exercise number 5. It is on page number 118. Let us see the first sum now. The first sum is given 63 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. Okay. So remember children, units are very much important. Now it is in centimeter given. So definitely this length, whatever length is given, it is related to something object that we are going to measure in length. Okay, that is why centimeters are written. So very simple, the way you add your other sums, in that same way you have to add this also. Now which side we are going to solve first? Of course we are going to solve the one side first. So what are the numbers that are given on the one side? The numbers are 3 plus 5. So let us all add 3 plus 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here I am going to write 8. Then after solving my ones side, we will move to our tens side. Which numbers are given in tens side? The numbers are 6 plus 2. So let us all count 6 plus 2, 6, 7 and 8. So our answer is 88 centimeter. Now let us move to our second example, that is example number B. Now which numbers are given here? The numbers are given 95 centimeter and 69 centimeter. Again this sum is based on length. That's why the units are given centimeter. Now here this was the addition sum, this is your subtraction sum. The way you subtract other sums, same way you have to subtract this also. Now 5 and 9 is given. So obviously 5 is smaller than 9. So we have to do regrouping of numbers here. Okay, so this 5, I am going to cut this 5 and I am going to make it as 15. Okay, now we have this 5, it is in ones place. We have regrouped it and converted it into 2-digit number, that is in tens place. Okay, so definitely this 9 has given 1 to this 5. So this will become 8. Okay, forget about this number now children, because these numbers we have cut it and we have got our new numbers. So we have to focus on new numbers only. Okay, now 15 minus 9. Definitely 9 is smaller than 15. We can do our direct subtraction here. So 15 minus 9, let us all count from 9 till 15. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So here 6 is going to come. After solving this one side, let us move to our tens place now. 8 minus 6. Okay, so let us all count from 6 till 8. 6, 7 and 8. So 2 will come here. This is our final answer, that 95 centimeter minus 69 centimeter is equal to 26 centimeter. Always write your unit children, don't forget to write your units. Okay. Now the next example is filling the blanks is given. Okay, you have seen your textbook. 3 filling the blanks are given. 2, I am going to solve it here. 2 examples. Now the first filling the blank is given. 1 liter is equal to, now this is the small l and L denotes what? We use L for liters. Now liters are given, so which object we are measuring? We are measuring the capacity. Okay, so 1 liter is equal to 500 milliliter plus dash milliliter. Okay, here simple thing you need to understand, 1 liter is equal to how much milliliter children? Yes, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. This we all know, yes, that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, and here 500 milliliter plus dash milliliter is given. So 500 milliliter is already given. We have to write write the next 500 milliliter, because 1000 milliliter it gets converted into 500 milliliter plus another 500 milliliter. Okay, is equal to 1 liter is equal to 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter, that is your 1000 milliliter. Okay, now again see the next example. Again 1 liter is given here and small milliliters are given. Now 250 milliliter plus 250 milliliter plus 250 milliliter plus dash milliliter is given. Now this is also very simple. Just now we have seen, we know the fact that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay. Now 250 milliliter is given, this 250 and this 250. Both 250 you have to add. You will get 500 milliliter. Okay. When you are adding this 250 milliliter with this 250 milliliter, you will get 500 milliliter. Plus again 250 milliliter. So what is remain here? 1000 milliliter. Again you have to write here 250 milliliter. Okay. Again I am explaining you children. This 250 plus this 250. Okay. This is your 500 milliliter. When we add again 250 in that 500 milliliter, we have to make this 1000 milliliter. So which milliliter is remaining here? 250 milliliter is remaining. If you want to cross check your answer children, you can cross check. You have to add all the 250s together. You will get 1000 milliliter. Okay. Now moving back to your next exercise children. Your exercise number is 6. That is on page number 119. So children, word problems again are given. In your previous lessons also you have learned how to solve the word problem. There you will get some kind of story. You have to interpret that story and write down your sum. Now first sum I am going to solve it here, and the sum is shopkeeper sold 35 meter of red colored cloth. Okay, there is a shopkeeper who has sold 35 meter red colored cloth. Now here meter is given. It means again we are measuring the length here. Okay, and 28 meter of blue colored cloth. Simple thing. There is a shopkeeper. He has sold 35 मीटर ऑफ रेड कलर्ड क्लॉथ. एक रेड कलर का कपड़ा 35 मीटर का उन्होंने सोल्ड किया है. अगेन जो ब्लू कलर्ड का क्लॉथ है वो कितने सेंटीमीटर्स का है? 28 मीटर्स का. सो द शॉपकीपर सोल्ड डैश मीटर ऑफ क्लॉथ इन टोटल. नाउ इन टोटल दे हैव आस्क्ड, अगर दो अलग अलग क्लॉथ शॉपकीपर ने बेचे हैं तो दोनों क्लॉथ मिला के कितने मीटर उसने सोल्ड किए. So definitely it's a addition sum. So let us write in the given box. This first sum is of 35 meter. Okay, this is of red color cloth. Then it's a addition sum. So we are going to put the plus sign here, and again we are going to write 28 meter. And this 28 meter of blue colored cloth. So let us all solve it together. Again children, while writing these answers also don't forget to write your units. Okay, so meter is equal to meter. Let us all solve this. Again we are solving here one side plus. So 5 plus 8 is equal to, now 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here 13 is coming, so 3 I am going to write here under 1's place. And what about that 1? That 1 is going to carry forward under tens. Now this all the 3 digits we have to count together. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So our answer is 63 meter. Let us all write here the final answer. The shopkeeper sold dash meter of cloth in total. It means how much? 63 meter of cloth in total. So in this way children, you have to solve rest of the examples that is given in your textbook. Okay, and don't forget to put the unit sign properly and solve this filling the blanks exercise also.